We're in the capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana, and there's a little square here. There's quite a lot of activity going on, as you can see. Yeah, I think it's some form of farmer's market. Yeah, it looks like some Morris dancers here beside me, dressed in their traditional costumes. Quite a lot going on. There's Johnny. Actually, believe it or not, it's 10 o'clock on the 11th of October, and this place is actually buzzing.